Hey, what is up everyone? I am Roman and I bring you another course, Learn Blockchain Practical. This course will be like a spin-up of the Learn Blockchain course. We have learned theory and some demo on that course. So we'll be using those theoretical knowledge and apply them practically in this course. So if you haven't watched that course yet, go and first complete that course as we'll be using the concepts that we have learned from that course. Now, similar to the Learn Blockchain course, I have divided this course into 3 sections. Section 1, create a blockchain. We will create general blockchain in this section. Then section 2, create a cryptocurrency. In this section, we will use the general blockchain from section 1, develop it and decentralize it on several nodes to create a cryptocurrency. This cryptocurrency will be called Holy Moly Coin. And finally, section 3, create a smart contract. In this section, we will create a smart contract for a simulated ICO of 1 million Holy Moly Coin. Alright, so I am very excited for this Learn Blockchain Practical course. Now without wasting any further time, let's get right into the course.